Hello, I'm Takuma Seno from Keio University in Japan. In this video, I'm going to introduce d3rlpy, an offline deep reinforcement learning library. There are three key features uniquely provided by d3rlpy. First, d3rlpy is the first library with the full support of offline RL. Second, d3rlpy provides user-friendly API. Lastly, d3rlpy provides practical features which will assist researchers and practitioners. First, I'm going to introduce the offline RL support. Offline RL is the paradigm where the agent takes a batch of static data to optimize the decision-making policy without any interactions. Once the policy is trained, the policy is deployed to the environment. This paradigm is especially useful for the tasks where the interaction is very expensive, such as robotics and medical decision-making system. d3rlpy supports a number of offline RL algorithms, as well as the popular online RL algorithms. Currently, 5 discrete action algorithms and 11 continuous control algorithms are available. The implemented algorithms are benchmarked to ensure the implementation quality so that the researchers can start using this library for the baseline or the application works. According to our benchmark results, our recommendation is TD3 plus PC because of the stable performance, the faster training speed, and fewer hyperparameters to tune. Second, I'm going to introduce the user-friendly API. Here is the example training code with d3rlpy. d3rlpy has a dataset integration for D4RL and tidy datasets, so that you can easily dive into the experiments without setting up datasets on your end. Also, the setup of the algorithms is easy and fully documented. One thing I want you to keep in your mind is that d3rlpy supports both offline and online training, which means that you can train the policy in offline and seamlessly transition to online fine-tuning. Lastly, I'm going to introduce the practical features uniquely provided by d3rlpy. d3rlpy offers data collection methods. You can use collect method for data collection with a static policy. Also, you can use fit online method for the non-stationary policy data collection. For the practitioners, you can export the training policies as TypeScript and Annex formats. You can use exported policies with various programming languages such as C++ and JavaScript. This feature is suitable to the embedding systems and web applications. To achieve the performance beyond the state-of-the-art, distributional queue functions and multi-step learning options are available. Distributional queue function is known as the powerful approach by estimating the distribution of queue values instead of mean. Multi-step learning is also a handy and effective approach to obtain the better results. You can use these options with all implemented algorithms. d3rlpy also provides the convenient command line interface, which is specifically designed for the post-training analysis. The plot and the video showing this slide are generated by the command. Finally, we also introduced the first graphical user interface capable of training offline RL algorithms powered by d3rlpy. As you can see here, you can start training and performing analysis in an out-of-the-box way. Thank you for watching this video. If interested, please visit the GitHub repositories.